Hello, and welcome to this week's Let's Talk Machines Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In Pointwise version 18.1, a new feature named BuiltBox was added that provides tools that allow users to quickly create far-field, refinement, and voxel block types. The refinement and voxel block types were specifically designed with overset grids in mind, and so they are only available when an overset assembler has been configured within the Attributes tab of the Overset panel. The BuiltBox task is selection sensitive and requires that at least one domain or block be selected before it becomes available to use. After selecting all of the extra 300 surface domains in this example, the BuiltBox panel can be accessed from the Create menu or by selecting one of the options from its toolbar shortcut. For this example, we're focusing on how to create voxel blocks. Selecting this option opens the BuiltBox panel. The voxel block type produces a volume composed of hierarchical Cartesian cells, which are clustered about and sized by the selected entities. Voxels are designed to quickly create background blocks in overset grid topologies. Transitions between levels in the Cartesian mesh are made using tetrahedra and pyramids in order to maintain point-to-point cell face matching. As with the other block types that you can create with the BuiltBox tool, the extents of the selected entities are automatically computed and listed in the table at the top of the panel. A preview of the refinement block's outer extents is shown in the display window. Unlike with a far-field block type, the domains or blocks that users select are not used to form any faces of the voxel block that is created. Instead, a user's selection is only used as a reference in determining the cell sizes. Entry fields within the margins frame allow the margins for the boundaries in each coordinate direction to be changed from their initial values. With one or more symmetry planes selected, you can constrain the margins applied to only those directions that aren't defined as planes of symmetry in the pull-down menus. Users can override the default minimum and maximum cell edge sizes and set a minimum number of cell transition layers within the voxel frame by disabling the Use Default option and providing new values in each of the corresponding entry fields. Click Apply to save the voxel block, or click OK to save the voxel block and exit the BuiltBox panel. The volume grid for the voxel block can then be generated by simply selecting it and clicking the Initialize toolbar shortcut, or by entering the voxel solver via the grid menu. If you like this video, then be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, then drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter using the link in this video's description. Thank you, and have a pleasant Tuesday.